Hello everyone. My name is Devashish Padi. Today we will discuss computer organization of BCA second year. And today's topic is addition and subtraction using ones complement. In the last class, we have already discussed about complements of a number, how to find the complement. We have already discussed about ones complement, twos complement, tens complement, nines complement, 15th complement, 16th complement. Okay. So, I hope all of you have already saw my lectures, and today we will discuss addition and subtraction using ones complement. I am not discussing here direct addition and direct subtraction. Addition of two numbers by the help of ones complement, subtraction of two numbers by the help of ones complement. And this addition and subtraction is only of binary numbers, because ones complement is there. Ones complement means it refers to binary number. Okay. So, let us start today's class. First, we will see how to perform addition of two numbers using ones complement, and after that we will discuss subtraction of two numbers using ones complement. Okay, so let us start today's class. Addition using ones complement. Addition of two numbers using ones complement. So before going to the ones complement addition, first we will see what are the different rules we will follow to perform the addition using ones complement of two numbers. So what is the first rule? What is the first step? At first, ones complement of both the number is found. First, in the first step, we have to calculate ones complement of both the numbers. How can I perform the ones complement? Now, in the last class, we have already discussed about ones complement can be calculated by inverting just the bits. Inverting the bits means in place of 1, 0 is written. In place of 0, 1 is written. That means 1 can be changed to 0, 0 can be changed to 1. In case of ones complement, 1 is converted to 0, 0 is converted to 1. Okay, this is the first step. Ones complement of both the number is calculated. Then in the second step, both the numbers are added. We can perform binary addition of both the numbers. Okay, we have already discussed about addition of binary numbers. In the third step, we will check whether there is some carry bit or not. In the result, we will check whether some carry bit is present or not. Carry bit means some extra bit is there or not. If some carry bit is present, then the carry is added to the number. Okay. After performing the addition, check the carry bit is present or not. Carry bit means some extra bit is there or not. If the result has some carry bit, then the carry is added to the numbers. Okay. If the carry is not present, if the result is no carry, then the number is negative. Okay, result is negative, and one's complement of the result is taken. Okay, again I am telling, what is the first step? Calculate the ones complement of both the number. Then both the ones complement are added. Then check if there is carry or not. If no carry is present, the result is always taken, and one's complement of the result is the final result. If the result has some carry bit, then the carry is added to the number and the result is final result. Okay, so let us take one small example. Okay, see, this is the example. Add -1 and 2 using 4-bit register. 4-bit register means -1 can be represented in 4-bit, 2 can be represented in 4-bit. Okay, so first find out the binary of 2. We have already know that. What is the binary of 2? 0, 0, 1, 0. 4-bit. We have already know that 2 means 10. 10 means 2-bit, but here 4-bit register is given. So I can take 0, 0, 1, 0. Okay. Then what is the binary of -1? What is the binary of -1? In the last class, in the last video lecture, we have already discussed about how to calculate the binary of negative numbers. Okay. Again I am telling here how to calculate the binary of negative numbers. First find the binary of positive numbers, then find out the ones complement of that number. Okay. Similarly, first find the binary of 1 and take the ones complement. The binary of 1 is 0, 0, 0, 1, 4-bit. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-bit is there. And ones complement of this number 0, 0, 0, 1 is 1, 1, 1, 0. Okay, in place of 0, I can write 1, and in place of 1, I can write 0. Okay, so this is the binary of -1 and this is the binary of 2. Then both the numbers are added. 1110, this is -1, 0010, this is 2. Add both the number 0 plus 0, that is 0. 1 plus 1, 10. Okay, 0, then carry 1. 1 plus 1, that is 0. Okay, carry 1. 1 plus 1, 10. Okay, so see, carry is present or not. How can I know carry is present or not? See, when I can perform the addition in the last column, 1 plus 1 is equal to 0 and the carry is 1. Again I am telling, 0 plus 0 is 0. 1 plus 1, 10, 0 and 1 carry 1 here. 1 plus 1, 10, 0, 1 carry here. 1 plus 1, that is 10, 0, 1. So this 1 is known as my carry. Or you can say that in other words, sir, here 4-bit is there, 0010. Here also 4-bit is there, 1110. But the result is 5-bit, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the result is 5-bit, the MSB bit is known as my carry bit. MSB bit means leftmost bit. This leftmost bit is known as my carry bit. So carry bit, or you can say that that is my extra bit. Okay. Again I am telling, it is 4-bit number. It is also 4-bit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-bit number. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4-bit number. But the result is 5-bit. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If the result is 5-bit, some extra bit is there. This one is the extra bit. So this one is known as carry. That means the result has some carry. And what is the rule? If the result has some carry, what I can do? Then the carry is added to the number. That means 0, 0, 0, 0 plus what is the carry? 1. That is 0, 0, 0, 1 is the result. Okay. Since there is a carry 1, the result 40 plus 1 is equal to 0001. That is the result. Or you can say that minus 1 plus 2. What is the result? 1. See, this is the result 1. So my answer is correct. Minus 1 plus 2. If I can perform direct addition, minus 1 plus 2. What is the result? 1. So here also I can find out the result as 1. So in this way, you can perform addition of two binary numbers using 1's complement. Okay. Next example. Addition of 5 with minus 7. We have know that binary of 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Binary of 5 is 0, 1, 0, 1. Okay. Then what is the binary of minus 7? How can I perform binary of minus 7? Now first find out the binary of 7. Binary of 7 is 0, 1, 1, 1, triple 1. Okay. And calculate the 1's complement of 0, triple 1. 1's complement of 0, triple 1 is 1, triple 0. Just change the 0 bit to 1, 1 bit to 0. Okay. Then add both the numbers. 0, 1, 0, 1, that is 5. 1, triple 0, that is minus 7. Add both the numbers. 0 plus 1, that is 1. 0 plus 0, that is 0. 0 plus 1, that is 1. 1 plus 0, that is 1. No carry bit or extra bit is there. How? So this is 4 bit, this is 4 bit. The result is also 4 bit. So no extra bit is there. If the result is no carry, then the number is negative. And 1's complement of the result is taken. Here also no carry is there. So what I can do, I can perform the 1's complement of this number. What is the 1's complement of this number? 00, 10, 00, 10. And always remember, the result is always negative. Okay. So to perform 1's complement addition, you must remember the rules. First rule is 1's complement of both the number is found. Add both the numbers. If the result is no carry, perform 1's complement and the result is negative. If the result has some carry, then the carry is added to the final result. Okay. So in this way, you can perform addition of two numbers using 1's complement. Okay. Next we will discuss subtraction using 1's complement. How we can perform subtraction of two binary numbers using 1's complement. Okay. What is the rule? Now at first, 1's complement of the subtrahend is found. Which one is the subtrahend? Now always the second number is subtrahend. Okay, we will discuss. Then it is added to the minuend. After find out the 1's complement of the subtrahend, the result is added to the minuend. Minuend means with the first number. Okay. If the result has some carry, then the carry is added to the result. If the result has no carry, then 1's complement of the result is taken and the result is always negative. Okay. We will see in one example. Okay. So 1 1 0 1 0 1 minus 1 0 0 1 0 1. Okay. How many bits are there? 6 bit numbers. 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is the 6 bit number. 1 2 3 4 5 6 bit number. Both are 6 bit numbers. Okay. And the first number is called as minuend and the second number is called as subtrahend. In case of subtraction, first number is called as minuend, second number is called as subtrahend. So what is the rule? 1's complement of the subtrahend is found. Find out the 1's complement of this number. Subtrahend means second number. Okay. So 1's complement of this number is 0 11 0 1 0. Just change 1 to 0, 0 to 1. Then this number is added to the minuend, means this number 1 1 0 1 0 1 plus 0 1 1 0 1 0. If we perform addition of between two numbers, this is the result. Whether carry is present or not, this is a 6-bit number, this is a 6-bit number. It is a 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. 7-bit number. 7-bit number means carry is present and the carry is 1. If carry is present, then the carry is added to the result. Okay. So 0 0 1 2 3 4 4 ones plus 1. That is the result. Okay. In this way, we can perform the subtraction of two binary numbers using ones complement. This is another example. 1 0 1 0 1 1 triple 1 double 0 1. Okay, both are 6-bit numbers. The first ones complement of subtrahend. This is the subtrahend. Triple 1 double 0 1. What is the ones complement? Triple 0 double 1 0. Then this number is added to the minuend. 1 0 1 0 1 1 plus triple 0 double 1 0. And this is the result. Whether carry is present or not, see 1 2 3 4 5 6. This is a 6-bit number, this is a 6-bit number, this is also 6-bit number. So no carry is present. If no carry is present, then one's complement of the result is taken and it is also negative. Okay. So one's complement of the result is double 0 triple 1 0 and also the result is negative. So in this way we can perform the subtraction of two numbers using one's complement. So this is all about addition and subtraction of both the numbers using one's complement. Okay. If you have any doubt, then please ask me. Thank you.